Dialogue.
Igbo Area TV on the.
Hello viewers, the topic today is the OBIGBO debacle. The OBIGBO debacle. The EndSARS protests, which started from Twitter and suddenly erupted into riots throughout Nigeria, was abruptly stopped after soldiers opened fire on protesters at the Lekki toll gate. While the riots lasted, several police stations were razed and security agents attacked. The police station in Oyigbo, local government area of Rivers State, was not spared. It was razed down by irate youths. What is difficult to understand is that Governor Nyesom Ezenwo-Wike of Rivers State blamed the mayhem on the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. He threatened to fish out the members of the group and to deal with them mercilessly. To achieve this, he flooded the area with soldiers. The soldiers moved in as if with a vengeance. They are killing, they are maiming, they are intimidating and dehumanizing the residents. What is vile about the incident is the wave of anti-Igbo hysteria the exercise is generating. The soldiers are reported to be conducting house-to-house searches and targeting Igbo people in the area for torture, intimidation, and murder. For this reason, there is an urgent need for the rethink of strategy by the Igbo as a bloc and by Igbo organizations. Herdsmen who have unleashed terror on hapless communities have not been vilified and targeted the way that Igbo people in Oyigbo have been targeted or dealt with. It is even heartbreaking that the order and support come from a group considered as kith and kin of the Igbo. The Igbo must examine their limits and depth of animosity dished out to them daily and chart new strategies for survival.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.